Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to see, by using all function we'll see some different scenario. So similar kind of scenario we have implemented by using remove filter function. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get some understanding in Power BI and DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report with the matrix as well as the table. So I'll try to explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report like this. Okay, so dim customer, dim date, dim geography, dim product category, subcategory, sales territory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have enabled between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Now I'll try to understand that is also. Just click on model. So collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. So now you can see that, so based on this, for example, if you place the mouse here, you can see that based on this key column I have enabled the relationship between this sales territory and internet sales. So even um, we can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter for application flowing from the dim sales territory to internet sales, like that I have enabled the relationship. So now I'll go to the report. So this is the matrix as well. So in this we have category as well as a region. So two levels, one is the category level, another one is with respect to each category what are the subcategories. Okay, so this is the matrix, this is the table visible. I'll try to explain what's happening. So go to the category level. So in this I'm taking the percentage of with respect to the overall sales. So here what's happening, so what is the category sales, each category, this is the sales. So with respect to the all sales also, so this is the sales, but here I'm taking the filters from the category. Okay, here filters are applied with respect to the category, so that is the reason with respect to each category also same value we are getting. In accessories this is the same amount, bags the same amount, clothing same amount, and also we are getting 100%, so there's no difference. But when you drill down to further level, for example in this accessory categories, these are the subcategories. So with respect to each subcategory, so this is the sales amount. For example bike rocks, this is the sales, bike stands, bottle case, like that each subcategory in the access category, so this is the sales amount. But here I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the subcategories, not accessories. So in this category, what is the sales amount? 935801. So it's getting repeated every subcategory in this category, right? Because I'm just ignoring filters coming from the subcategory, not category. So that is the reason we are getting the same amount for each subcategory, even for bikes also, clothing also. Okay, but if you notice here, based on the month selection, it's getting reflected. So I'm just ignoring filters coming from the only subcategory, not date. It's getting reflected. Even you can notice that it's getting changed whenever I change the month name. So here in this report, the filters are applied with respect to category and month, not subcategory. And based on that, I am taking the percentage. So in this accessory categories, so what is the percentage of contribution with respect to the each subcategory? Now you can see in this September month. For example, if I click on October month, it will change. So March, August, May, November. So like that, whatever the month we can select based on that, it's getting reflected. And also I have applied some kind of icons here based on the percentage. So it's we are seeing different icons so that easily we can understand which subcategory is doing more number of sales, which one is not doing well. So based on that easily we can understand and make a decision. So like that I have enabled icons for this measure. I'll try to show that is also. So before getting that, so even we can same kind of report, so we can see at a table level also. So it's up to the client requirement. Sometimes they want a matrix, sometimes they want a table. So based on that we can design the report. Okay, now I'll try to go to the sales percentage, conditional formatting, icons. It's getting open. See, so I have enabled 4 rules. So based on this percentage, if it is 0 to 25 means this icon, if it's 25 to the 50, this one. So like that I have enabled the rules for the sales measure. So based on that it's giving the same icons for each one, right? It's easy to implement. So I'll try to measure what are the measures I have created. Total sales, all sales, sales percentage. Excuse me. It's very simple only, it's not complicated expressions are, it's very simple. So just click on, so try to zoom it. Now you can see that for calculating total sales, so I have used the calculate sum x function for the all sales. So here I have declared one variable. So within this variable I have used the calculate sum x and also filter. So while doing filter, I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the subcategory only. So I'm just taking filters from the table, like a month. Whenever I select a month, it's getting changed. Whenever I select a category wise, it's changing. But I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the subcategory name only. Okay, so I have written one. So finally I'm just validating if the total sales are blank or not. If the blank means written the blank, otherwise written this variable, what are the expression I have written, it will execute it. Okay, so like that I have designed the report. So similar kind of video you can find using remove filters. I have posted to 2 days back I think, so you can watch that one also if you want more clarity. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.